Welcome back, y'all. So I made this frontal wig, and today I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. So I'm using the black Got to Be Glued gel. I think it's like I don't remember. I just know it's the black one, the one that's clear. I used the one in the yellow little tube, but I didn't like it. It turned white on me, so yeah. Um, so I'm just gonna apply a layer of that, and then I'm gonna use the Freeze Blast Spray, and I'm gonna apply that on top of it, and I'm gonna pull my wig up, as you can see, and my hairline is weird. Frontals never fit me right because my edges, well, I don't know if I guess they are my edges. They come out too far, so basically I just make sure the top look good, okay? So, what you would do if you got your hairline is regular is just make sure your lace is laying flat or whatever. So, the Gots to Be dries pretty quick. Um, so what I'm gonna do is kind of add some baby hair. I'm kind of new to this baby hair thing. I don't know if I like them or not yet, but whatever. So I'm just gonna kind of form them, like the girls on the gram, on the Instagram. But yeah, I'm horrible at this baby hair stuff. So anyways, I'm just gonna tie it down and let everything dry. And while it's drying, I'm gonna use my little flat iron and just bump this little bob. Y'all, I recorded when I cut the bob, but somehow I deleted it and I just don't know what to do. So this is the video that you guys are getting. So hope you guys like it. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue to straighten my hair. So I got this hair, well, this frontal from the beauty supply store because I needed to practice on my frontal wigs. So it was like $50. I guess it's good for $50, but it's really not good, y'all. Don't buy it because I don't really like the texture that much. It's like, I don't know. It's not cute. And then the back is just some old bundles that I had left laying around. So this is how it looked once it's dried. I'm still not feeling the baby hair, sis. But the scalp part looks really natural, so I like that. And I'm just going to use my flat iron to flatten out the little hairs at the top, the little flyaways. And yeah, so this is how it's looking. And I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helps somebody out. I know it ain't gonna help everybody out because I know it's some girls that been on here for years and they be slaying these frontal wigs, but I'm new to the game. So if you new to the game, we're gonna figure this out together. But yeah, please subscribe to my channel and I will definitely talk to y'all later. Oh, and follow me on Instagram at Slade by Tamia.